Hello and welcome to another back in stock video. I'm Simon from Andover Norton, and as always every week I have a rummage around all the shelves and see what I can find that's back in stock for your bikes this week. So let's take a look and see what I found. Part number 061920, the front master cylinder cap is £14.34 including VAT. Next up is the nut and washer set for the original Smith Speedo and Taco. This comes with 8 pieces. It's part number 131727 and is £3.96 including VAT. Next is part number 063121, the fuel tank fixing strap for the Roadster, £4.74 including VAT. This is one you've all been waiting for a while, the Commandos Type S exhaust system, complete system this is, for £954 including VAT. That is part number 131784. Part number 131823, the seat knob assembly and fixing kit for the Commando from 1968 to 1974 is £28.74 including VAT. And finally this week, the rear brake master cylinder assembly is £239.40 including VAT, and that is part number 065776. And don't forget, as always, you can set yourself a reminder through the Andover Norton website. It's really simple, and what will happen is when an item comes back in stock and you've set yourself a reminder, you'll get an email that tells you that that item's back in stock so you can come and get it. Or you can always give the guys a call on the technical hotline phone number, which is at the end of this video, or drop them an email as well. If you do want to do the website reminder, it's really simple. There's a link in the section below for a video that takes you through the whole process. It's really easy. Anyway, thanks ever so much for watching, and until next time, safe riding.